Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to send a video from CapCut to Messenger. So to do that, guys, is of course go ahead and go to one of your projects, and now of course we will edit it out. And once you have added all of the necessary edits, and once you have polished your video, of course you are going to export it. So now to export, tap on the top right corner, the blue icon, and now it will automatically export. And from here, as you can see, in order for you to send a video from CapCut to Messenger, you will have an option over here, other, on the left side. Just simply swipe and go to the right side and select other. And from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, chats. So go ahead and tap on the chats and your messenger will open up. And of course, just simply send it into your friend, to a group, to whatever you like. And after that, they should be able to see the video and you should be able to send a video from CapCut to the messenger, or you could just simply use the search bar and search for a specific person and provide your message as well at the top of the screen over here together with the video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.